They tell you, Mommy, come and see my body's in the movie. Oh yeah. You know I'm not saying I die, they die. You are dead. Dead.
You could do like say, "In no what they do."
No man, I think say no, say camera
they
now.
always they look for that screen. Now say go they look that computer like saying they say anything. Meanwhile, they no say camera there on top. They go they form like serious. Say waiting day that computer, waiting day.
Anyway, good evening and welcome on to the next show for today. Will be the 10th of April 2015. I beg, before we continue the show for today, because if I don't talk am now, we will forget. Tomorrow na election. I beg, make una make sure say una go outside there, go vote for the person who una go like make him become una next governor or una governor where they chair already. And then I beg movement according to what the federal government don't talk now from 8 o'clock. Movement not day from day. Say not day.
Okay.
From 8
no,
o'clock.
they do calm down, talk this thing. Maybe people no confused.
Okay.
So things say
Movement no day to move around in all day from 8 o'clock go reach like 5 o'clock. For tomorrow evening will be April 11th, so that you go fit join, take vote. Waiting with the talk for here, we pledge peace. Vote, not be fight, just go vote.
Not fight.
Not fight. Not be fight. Fight.
Okay.
Fight. Not be fight. Say fight.
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 Fight. Oh, fight.
Not be fight. I beg. More gonna just carry waka. Go vote. Pop. As usual, before we start the night show.
We could groove today Friday when we know say tomorrow na election.
No, we'll not go fit. We'll not go fit because if we go groove this night now.
We'll not go fit get
we
out.
We'll not go fit. If we say we go groove this night now, police feel hold us. Say we carry election material.
Oh, you don't give me five. I don't think I'm
so more just their house groove. You go their house groove. We go do
house party.
But we not fit groove for studio.
Hey, we go sleep for inside
no,
studio.
No, but we don't get that Christmas light where they do.
We get blue light.
Okay,
that's what happen. We go after the show. We go look for extra blue light.
We turn off
green light.
We go come mini match.
We go come put that thing where they generate smoke for inside studio.
It will be election eve.
Election eve party.
Yo.
Are you with me?
We are with you.
Are you with me?
Yes, we are with you.
Anyway. You get what as I make we ask. The question now say, one girl, her boyfriend or husband get by day. Now she called us now, what gift am I going to give this guy that's going to make you remember for life? Now the girl come arrange 2 girls. We go fill am, we go wipe the guy.
How to
Many say he give her see the 2 girls. Girl and her friend touchlight her boyfriend as birthday gift. She arranged another girl as birthday gift, so they can't do threesome. Many say the guy wipe her in bed, wipe another baby.
Birthday! Why are they happy?
Why you coming very soon?
Why you they happy anyhow?
My birthday is coming very soon.
Your birthday don't pass. Why you go happy inside this kind of matter?
My birthday na for fellowship I go do am, na for church. I don't know. I just they happy because I know some people go send me gifts for my birthday.
No, Nedu, wait first. Why you they happy for this kind
of gift? I'm not happy, Happy? Are you with me?
Why you they
happy?
I don't know.
Easy. My birthday is coming very soon. Like say they send message say,
woman organize one girl and her friend for him boyfriend birthday party, may touch light up. But Nedu, you know say if to say we ask people for here, we say make we open our telephone line, make una talk to us. Then go say if not them, they no go.
Yawa go gas for today.
Now
if we call them now, Yawa go gas for today.
Now the girls not go agree, but some girls go agree. Some girls go agree, but the guys.
Even the guys no go clean say they go collect.
Maybe like a wife now we go there with wife. Say no,
my wife there. No,
my wife they cook. Why I go agree? But I will go outside. They do. How far?
That thing where you.
That thing when I talk, I serious. When I go arrange
You can imagine if girl come meet in boyfriend or fiancé or in partner say, sweetie, what can I get for you as your birthday gift?
He say, maybe the guy go ask, do you watch the night show on Wazobia TV? Well, there was this thing they show on Friday. On Friday.
Do you like it?
Do you like it? The guy go say,
what?
Anything for you now.
Are you sure, baby?
I trust Nigerian men. You look at you say, baby, don't try me.
Then he go say, he say, then he go say, are you sure you can handle it? The woman go say, oh, baby, anything for you, my boo, boo, boo. He could say, oh.
But wait, thank you say talk this boo now. Now which one be bae? Which one be boo?
Which one be boo boo?
Baby boo.
Now man, naim be boo. Then woman be bae.
Naim be bae.
You know say that bae, na babe.
Yes.
They can't come out the B.
I don't know why.
Oh, where was your bae? Very soon now they'll come out the E. You become ba.
Ba. And the boy, now B double O. They can't remove the Y. They can't put O. They can't remove the O now.
Maybe next time they go become bo.
Bo. Ba and bo.
Ba and bo.
Okay.
Ba bo.
Nedu, where is your ba?
My ba is not around though.
Ask me.
Where is your bo?
Oh, my bo went to town. That's all it is. So we do ba and bo.
Hey, what maybe signs of end time? Anyway, for today's show, we're not going to take phone calls today. I beg me not vex. From Monday to Thursday, we don't take phone calls from Una. Now, till next week, we'll begin taking calls. But not only tweet messages. Now we'll begin to. So when we begin send us now take own tweet messages.
And Facebook. If you go on Facebook, go and look for Night Show Wazobia Television. Then go and click. You can see where they ask you like. When you see that like, go and carry your mouses.
Moose.
Carry your moose. No, they don't call mouses.
Moose.
Mouses.
Moose.
It's not Rufus now. Not be Rufus.
Okay.
Carry your mouses. At the cabin again, click.
Now mouse. Now not be mouses. Now one. Now plural singular.
Now mouse. Yes.
Mouse.
Just like focus.
Focus. You know, focus. Now be plural, but focus is one. Singular. Rufus where they talk so Rufus now two. But Rufus now one.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so that
are you
mouse.
with me?
I'm with you.
So Darian, so mouse I don't want now.
Mouse is one. But if you say moose,
and you do two. Okay, so you carry your mouse and code it and yours click like. Then you
it
part
don't
of
go
the
straight.
Everything will happen there. You fit talk. We could read and come on inside here.
You feel write your life history there.
Honestly. Honestly.
Anyway, for today's night show, we get one ogbonge guest. The guy is a fashionist.
We they call him Blackie.
Now Obioma, now he start us. You know those people they carry scissors. They will listen to do music.
So your cloth.
So your cloth.
They get voice.
Okay, they can get voice.
They get voice.
They get voice.
And the they get so sing. Okay, president here. No can go walk like that. So your cloth. Madam, you're a president here. No can come out like that. So your cloth. So your. Some now don't they get music. They get music. They carry music.
Wax their own album.
Wax new album.
Everybody they get talent. You think that to blow now for some people and you know for some people. No, I thought we must blow.
Anyway, this guy, he named na Kola Kuddus.
I know.
How person going to call it Kola Kuddus?
Keke. I don't remember of keke.
That rhyme.
Now, in Papa found keke. You know that. Oh,
then be two. Okay, Kuddus.
Oh, that's why keke.
Focus on Kuddus on Rufus.
Rufus, you say
enter.
You know that
cult.
Keke. They wear white, black and red. It be like black and red. Now in Papa, he did their family scenes. Now family name. The keke. Have the Ku Klux Klan. Ku Klux Klan. Ku Klux Klan.
They got yellow.
No, he black. That kind of me opposed to kind of blackness. He black. For night time, you could find him. You know,
in black. Wait, in black na burnt offering black. I been a normal.
No, na in burnt offering.
Burnt offering black.
That kind of burnt offering, you could find him for night time until you do it like this. Before you go see him.
You give him your cream.
I'll give him cream. I know they use cream.
No,
that's your
clear sense. But anyway, Kola Kuddus, and I'm going to be our guest today. The guy is a fashionist. He does so cloth, no Bioma, tailor everything. They just change the name and swagger him. Give him fashion designer. And I'm going to for example with us when we could discuss this.
Hey, to go with a very fine somebody. And you want to ask to be them very slim and handsome. But
handsome.
Mambo handsome.
Handsome.
Neru.
Anyway, you got one video we go watch now. We could watch one video from Niger boys where they Yankee they do anyhow.
I'm a Niger boy. Hey, they don't know who do release song.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. You know what? No one in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
You know what it is.
You know what it is.
Black and yellow, black and yellow.
No, Neru, you know you sing them well. What? You know what it is.
Every time I come big.
Is it 2 cows?
Every time I come,
2 cows.
Hey, we are coming back. night show
on
today.
A cool Friday
on a cool Friday night, chilling. Election Eve.
Election Eve.
Are you with the man?
I'm with you.
I'm not with you.
We tell us we get ogbonge guests. So I don't watch that video. Hope so I enjoy him. See that guy? That guy is a thief. He carry 100,000 put for offering. Girls,
What didn't do that?
The guy gotta say, call me.
Call me. Nah, you know say, wait. You know say the guy dropped the money. The guy not even tell the girl anything. He just drop the money. He just look the baby.
The guy look back.
Now the baby don't look back. Now the guy just say, call me.
Pastor come observe him.
Pastor come observe him.
Na sharp guy.
Pastor go block him. My brother, Alpha. Okay, just give, pay tight for that one.
Don't do like this.
I mean, you've gotten a girlfriend.
You know the pastor like that pastor the guy for talk say for their own town for Nigeria they will give 2 cows.
2 cows, you know what I mean? That is how we know. Like anyway, now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. I hope so you enjoyed that video. We tell us we go get guests for the night show for today. KKK, Blackie, aka Blackie. We tell us a burnt offering. Thank God now they say now the guy is actually a burnt offering.
You could say no wear black.
Thank God say no wear black. I wonder
we not foresee him. No, we not foresee him. Now yours in shadow.
We foresee him because they light, our light we did for you.
And our light strong very well.
Not
true you talk.
So for face him, only say if for now just shade some part.
For yours be shade.
No foresee. But anyway, Kola Kuddus, welcome to the night show. Welcome. Hey man, you be fashion
designer extraordinaire. You don't win. You don't win award though. Plenty awards.
Now you ask him. I mean, I want ask him.
I just they why you go talk him outside? You said nobody fit tell you anything private.
I know we carry you go outside this night. You know, it's a bit with me. With the go club. I know we carry you go this night. Continue. No. Talk now. Talk. Kuddus, welcome, job. They say your papa dey KKK, not true?
I don't know that one, no.
I be your papa not tell you. Say they laugh. Say they laugh. Like first what they talk.
No, maybe he's shy.
Are you shy?
No, I don't know that one.
What's in the comment?
What you come know? Since you know.
I'll be born again Muslim.
My brother, I was born again.
Now,
as you see us like this, we are nearer to the kingdom of God.
We are nearer to the kingdom of God.
End of time come like this. If that trumpet,
you see,
if they sound like this,
would they first
front
list?
row,
Would they first list?
Give me 5.
Would they first list to take for go heaven? Maybe you will put it for reserve.
Yeah.
As per
we know you.
I should not know you now.
So it's not like a stranger.
Economy class.
No, economy. Space today. How many seats remain?
Like 4.
Like 4. Okay. Go give how many days?
No, as you don't give them now, not 2.
Not 2 9 remain. No, now you say 4, not 3 9 remain.
Okay. You
so
could remain.
We'll give half sat.
Why?
No, we don't give half sat.
Why?
Me.
Okay, the new one.
This is the fight over there.
No, give maybe we'll suck your spirit away. So give me.
So it makes 2.
It makes 2
now. It could remain heels. No.
If you not say you want to join our list of going to heaven, send us your name
on a Twitter
message now, so that we'll go join you for our list.
Then we'll go look you very well and select you if you meet the criteria to enter heaven.
Then you go heaven. Some of you, if you send us when you don't make the criteria, we'll personally make sure you don't go heaven. Yeah. We will make sure you don't go to heaven.
I mean, our responsibility.
It's our responsibility.
Because we don't want miscreant.
Thank you. We get quota. You know, say as they say quota, everybody gets quota. We get quota.
That's why, like, you there in the spirit too much. And
we get quota. So
different quota.
We will let them go heaven.
Yes.
Anyway, Kola Kuddus, welcome to the next show. You not Taylor, now you be. I've been a fashion designer. Which one you go call you?
Which one no be like Taylor?
Which one will go call you?
I'll be fashion designer.
Fashion designer.
Yeah.
Okay, well, tell us who be Kola Kuddus. Tell us about yourself.
Okay.
I know I'm saying so, Nedu.
He don't do nothing.
I know. I used to tell you, say I know I'm. That time when he did better that time. I know I'm. Oh God. I know I'm since when he did better like over 30 years ago.
No, boyfriend and girlfriend.
No.
I'm about to come outside now. Instead of making him quiet down, your gossip not done. They come outside now. Kola, tell me what una don't do.
I said where they lie.
No. We'll be acquaintance.
I said where they lie.
You're going to acquaintance. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
No, I said where they lie now.
Kola, who be Kola Kuddus?
Actually, I started the fashion business about, let's say, 2004.
2004. That was like 11 years ago.
Okay. When I did university.
Okay, you did university, okay.
So that time I did buy clothes, I did sell clothes for people. So people, they actually see what they wear. Okay. So they will come meet me and say, I like what they wear. Can you help me buy? So I can help them buy. So now so I start the journey.
They start the journey.
Yeah.
So after you come, what did you study for school first of all?
I do philosophy.
That time philosophy na heavy subject.
So as you do philosophy now, you don't drop the certificate or what? You know they do.
No. I see they use and guide myself now.
Okay.
You dey keep yourself philosophy.
No, what person will do philosophy? Whoa.
No, they look down and pronounce it like I do. Philosophy. Call them together now.
Philosophy. Okay, una they think well.
Yeah,
so now they thinking they carry.
We'll be great thinkers.
Now, how you go take, okay, since it also okay now from dressing from school, people go see you say, you sabi dress well, maybe you can package clothes for me.
Exactly.
Now you can begin sew your own clothes. How you go take describe your starting? When you take start the business, how you go take describe them? Because all those little beginnings, you know, I don't know if you are with me. Are you with me?
I'm with you.
They don't know confuse them.
So how you go take describe your starting as a fashion designer?
You see, the truth be say, when I start for university, I don't know say now what I go end up finally doing with this. No. That time when I did do them, I just did do them as hobby. I just enjoy them. I just take and make small money, you know, take and do fine boy, all those kind of things. But after I can't finish, I can't do NYSC. I can't realize, say, this thing what I do, I enjoy them. I know they use power do them. It just they come naturally.
And they make money from inside.
Exactly. And I can't look say, but no beside they even put 100% of my effort inside this thing. And this thing they bring small change like this. If I can't sit down with them, now they I just make up my mind and say, oh boy, like say, now this one I go settle it too. And that's why
you don't regret them since.
No.
Now, and another question I go ask you, because myself, when we start the show, I talk to Obioma, I talk to Taylor, come talk fashion designer. I need to understand something. I don't know, are you with me?
I'm with you.
Ask the question first.
What is the difference between Taylor and fashion designer? I don't know.
I think say you could put Obioma inside. I go tell you say no.
Obioma I don't know. Leave it there. But Taylor and fashion designer, what is the difference?
Obioma is semi-permeable membrane. Maybe we find like that.
You see, the okay, make I put on like this. It be like say make you ask say what be the difference between bricklayer and civil engineer? You know say bricklayer now.
That's what the difference be.
That's what it be now. Bricklayer now, if you arrange block, he go just they don't tell him say okay now like this the house go be. He go just arrange the block they go. But the engineer now he go tell him say okay no put plenty cement put sand put granite. So that's the difference.
Okay, which means Taylor naim sabi so
exactly.
They do machine
exactly.
Fashion designer naim they say naim they draw.
Naim go conceive the idea. Naim go see as the clothes go take be. Naim go look say okay which material go fit this thing. How you go take sit down for body. Exactly.
So you go now call the tailor say Ngwanu see what's in my head now.
Okay. Now you go know whether they go tear them for here because some girls now their clothes I don't understand. They go tear them open.
Exactly.
All tear them all.
Like your own now, when they tear everywhere now.
Tear everything.
Now, make I ask you another question before Katim ask you other questions which she want to ask you. Now, we don't. I want to talk Obioma. Katim come out Obioma. As I must put that Obioma inside now. If you call them street,
you know, say if they put that thing for inside question for exam, circle the odd one out. Obioma, tell her. You go circle Obioma now. It's true.
Obioma fit eventually become fashion designer.
Well.
And how? If yes.
They say, then describe.
Are you with me?
I am with you.
Then they say describe the process.
Describe the process. Obioma go fit to become fashion designer.
Yes, Obioma fit become fashion designer now. It depends on your mindset.
Okay.
If you get that mindset, if you take him to the next level, you go achieve him now because nothing they we person no fit achieve. You understand? I feel be mechanic today. Say okay, tomorrow I want be mechanical engineer, and in the process I want go that school. So if the person get that mindset, okay, this Obioma I don't want do him again. I want move him to the next level. then
I want
if you
open shop.
exactly. Exactly.
Now, are you with me?
I'm with you.
So you they make woman cloth. Now I don't want to ask the question since now only na man cloth.
No. Now only man clothes. But when I start, I start with man and woman. So along the line, I can't feel okay. Make I specialize in that one. We be say I get strength where I sabi well. You know, so and man work self no be easy work like that. So I just decide say okay, make I take one, master and then maybe later on I feel can enter woman job again.
But man cloth no they
Mom.
Now you're straight cut now.
Now you're straight cut now. Man cloth no get anything now. Now you're straight cloth now.
Where you find this by way wear your cloth?
Oh, more see Kuddus designs, Now you not bring cloth can't give us. Very lovely designs. Yeah. Why did they stand?
Why did they stand like a patient for?
Guys just stand.
Hospital.
No. Like the concept of the concept be that.
To start straight like this.
You know go fit stand that.
No, I fit now. No. I like this cloth too. Kuddus, I like this cloth. Come down for me now.
Where you find your material? They buy them.
Material full for Lagos here now.
Okay, now Lagos they buy them.
Yeah. They buy.
You know they do importer, exporter kind of something.
The thing about importing and exporting, we say you guys to they buy.
Oh, see this one.
You guys to they buy a lot of quantity before if you make commercial sense.
Okay.
But you know if you go buy 1 Ghana must go of material, say you want import.
This one be like waiting ECB go.
Now ECB go show muscle. Yeah. Okay, you know if you go get container of something.
No, because I never reached that level.
That level, yes.
One container maybe go on for 5 years.
If like for example now, as I like this clothes now, you won't come make the ones who I go they wear for this show now. How long did it take you to bring out? For example, now I tell you okay, Kuddus now I need something where I go wear on Monday. So today be Friday now.
Yes.
How long did it take you to make?
To make the cloth.
To make the cloth.
Okay now, what thing I did do be say I did do bespoke, and I did do the one we say ready to wear. Because of people like you.
Come be bespoke and ready to wear bespoke.
Bespoke now the one we say that they go measure you, do them to your size and specification. That one they take more time. But you see, when you do ready to wear, that one, they don't do. If you do
cut and sew.
What come be the difference between now the same design?
Now then does it go say cut and sew?
That one the process they faster. No, ready to wear.
Ready to wear.
So what you know
now ready to wear?
No.
It's not bespoke.
You know, say the process is you fit do plenty in a fewer times. Okay. But now, if this man come now, he go say put the hand for the leg, put the leg for back, put the back head. So that one now go take you more time, more process. Meanwhile, if now
so,
the ready to one,
it come like economy class and business or first class.
Exactly.
Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Anyway, now for you now go back small checking the break. We'll come back now, and we'll come back. We'll continue it on top of the matter. We'll deal with Kola Kuddus. In fact, fashionista extraordinaire.
Now we believe I'm when it's now we fashion designer because of the cloth.